Right guys, now I know that trading is very difficult with 99% of people actually never passing a prop firm challenge. Now, so making money in the markets not only takes a long time, but it also takes a lot of effort as well. Now, what if I could show you something that takes everything off the table, does all the hard work for you, and you simply, all you have to do is wait for an alert and take that trade. Now, this has an over 90% success rate as well. Now, before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Okay, so here we are on Tradingview, and we have that indicator online. It is called TheSignaler. I will be showing you the website and showing you everything how you can get this, and also how you can be part of their signal channel later on in the video. But what I'm going to do is just show you how exactly this works. Okay, so we are on Bitcoin on the daily time frame. The first thing you want to do is switch over to Heikin Ashi candles. Okay, when you come to the chart, it will be in your long form. All you have to do is click on this. Candles will be there. Scroll down and click on Heikin Ashi. Okay, now these candles are more accurate for the signaler indicator as well. Now, how can we do this? Okay, so once you see here this long signal has appeared, you can set an alert by clicking add alert on the signaler, and then once you've pressed create, it will create that alert for you. Now, every time you get a long or even a short signal, so long is a buy, short is a sell, every time you get them, you'll be notified on your phone, laptop, PC, MacBook, whatever you have. It will send you an alert. Now, when you get that alert, you want to enter a buy or a sell position. For this one is a buy, so we enter off of that arrow. Once that arrow is formed, the stop loss then goes below the blue line, below the arrow. Okay, so blue to blue, and then red to red. Okay, so the buy stop loss goes below, and then we put our take profit up high. Say if you wanted to target this high, then we would have just taken a 1-to-1. If we risked $1,000, we would have made $1,000. So it's nice and simple. Now that was a buy. Let me just show you a short. Okay, so with a short, we then do the opposite. Okay, so once we get that alert, we click on that, get that arrow, the stop loss will go on the red line. Remember, red to red, and then we target. Say if we want to go for a 1-to-1 again, nice and simple, bang, we would have smashed that out within the week. Okay, so that's a 1 and 2, that's a buy and a sell. Now, what you can also do is I want to show you live how we can exactly do it in live form. Okay, so say you come to the chart here, and then as we come through the day, you then get this signal. Okay, so once this signal is alerted, then all you want to do is, like I said to you, put that on there, stop loss on the blue line, which has just formed. Then what we want to do is target. I always recommend a 1-to-2. So a 1-to-2 would be right there. You can see risk to reward ratio 2. So if we're risking 1% on this, we will make 2% back. And then as we press play and watch this unfold, this is exactly how it does it. So it could potentially scare you there with the stop loss being destined. But then if we just keep faith in the move, we can see that, yes, over a couple of weeks time this is. However, we've just made 2,000 in 1 week. There we have it. TP has hit. Bang. Nice and easy. All I had to do was wait for the alert, stop loss below, and then wait for the TP to be hit. You could have held this for a lot longer. You can potentially hold it until you want to close it. But me being a trader myself, I always target a certain area, either liquidity or it will be just a nice easy 1-to-2. But what you can see already is this move would have been at least a 1-to-5, as you can see. Now, if you are interested in this and the Signal VIP group, this is the Signaler VIP. All the links will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence. But what we can see here is 202% was made off this Bitcoin short, and then 100% was made off that Bitcoin short. They also give you a entry criteria. They give you that signal, and look at that sniper entry that this signaler done. Okay, you can also see that that move was currently up 52%. We know that that hit the 100%, 220%. But as you can see, it comes through a lot of different terminologies and also stats as well included in this. Now, if you are interested in this signal group plus the indicator, you have 2 ways of doing it. You can either head on over to the website, TheSignaler.com, with over 1,500 trusted members of 5 stars. And as we go down, we can see that multiple people have done different publications on them. And as we scroll, it gives you the different features that you can get. The AI powered trading signals real-time signals, smart alerts, and results speaking for themselves as well. So these are the options. You can get 1 month at $45, 3 months of $109, 1 year at $395, or the lifetime bundle of $597. Okay, so how do you do this? You go back to your Telegram, click on the Prime link, the Signaler bot. You'll be redirected to this exact thing. So it gives you multiple different options. You could either add the indicator system on itself, the VIP signal by itself, or the lifetime access bundle, which actually gives you access to both of them for life. When you're ready for that, you click on start. Once start is done, click on the lifetime bundle, because that, let's be honest, you pay once, so you'll never have to pay again. Now, once you've done that, you click to pay by crypto, and then click on any cryptocurrency you currently have. I have quite a lot of Doge. So if I click on Dogecoin, it will give me an invoice number, tell me that I have to pay 2.750.29480905 Dogecoin. Okay, so we click pay now. It will give us a contract address. Now, once we've got that contract address, all we have to do is send 2,750.2949 Doge to that address above. And then that is when we will receive access to not only the VIP signal group, but also that Tradingview indicator as well. But there we have it, guys. That was the Signaler and the VIP signal group. Let me know down in the comments your opinion. And if you've already got this, let me know in the comments and let everyone else know how you're getting on. Whether this is making the successful moves that we always show and we can see on the charts, because this goes back as well. You can check on the previous signals that it has provided. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.